Hey everyone, today we will see how you can add music to your notes on Messenger. So this is a new feature, so you have to make sure that your Messenger app is updated. Once you've made sure of that, you can go ahead and open the Messenger app. So once you're in the app, you can see that there's an option to add a note right under the search bar. So if you go ahead and click that, you can add a note. So let's do that. So you can see there's an option of a music icon right under your profile picture. That's the icon that you can use to add notes with music. So let's tap that. So here you can search any song you want. I'll just choose a random song here. You can also select which part of the song appears on your notes. So if you do left and right on this, you can just go and select the part that you want. And you can also type a message along with the song. So let's just type a random message. And then you have to just tap the share button on the top right, and it will post the note. And as you can see here, it's been posted and it's along with the music. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.